This article contains a list of life observations and advice based on those observations. It covers a wide range of topics for general life advice. Taipy is a Python library for building web application front and back ends. Founder's Friend is a voice-first chatbot that provides a safe space for founders to have conversations they can't have with employees, investors, or friends. Elon Musk handed the first Cybertrucks over to a select group of customers at Tesla's Cybertruck delivery event. The event, which went for around 30 minutes, featured pomp and pump music, VIP guests, and Musk. This article shares everything known about the Cybertruck so far. The Cybertruck is a lot more expensive than the targets Musk shared in 2019. Apple has unveiled the winners of the 2023 App Store Awards. This year's winners were chosen by the App Store's editorial team for providing users with meaningful experiences and inspiring cultural change. The 14 winners were selected from nearly 40 finalists for delivering exceptional technical innovation, user experiences, and design. This article contains the list of winners. Frore Systems, a California-based startup, has developed what it describes as the first solid-state active cooling chip. It recently equipped the M2 15-inch MacBook Air with 3 of its chips, bringing MacBook Pro comparable performance to sustained heavy workloads on the device. Frore has no publicly disclosed deals with any laptop vendors, but it is in collaboration with a number of the major laptop OEMs. The company is getting interest from various consumer segments in the industrial, data center, and automotive spaces. Human aviation is one of the most improbable of all human achievements, yet we live in a world with a global fleet of airplanes in the tens of thousands. There is still much to be desired in the aviation industry, but progress seems to be difficult to achieve. This article looks at the principles upon which the aviation industry was built and the challenges holding it back today. The incredibly large sonic booms produced by going supersonic made supersonic travel unacceptable. Several organizations, including NASA, are working on ways to quiet the boom. Mozilla Firefox's .deb package is now available for developer edition and beta. A new apt repository has been set up for users to install Firefox as a .deb package. These packages are compatible with the same Debian and Ubuntu versions as Mozilla's traditional binaries. The .deb package provides better performance, faster updates, more security, and convenience when upgrading. GitHub Unwrapped presents a summary of your GitHub profile. The summary includes a lines of code analysis and a contribution breakdown, with charts showing the data in a visual way. GitHub Unwrapped is powered by GitHub Trends and is not affiliated with GitHub. The rate of change in the technology world has rapidly accelerated in the past year. Cloud technologies, machine learning, and generative AI have become more accessible, impacting nearly every aspect of our lives. The coming years will see innovations in areas designed to democratize access to technology and help us keep up with the increasing pace of everyday life. This article makes some predictions on what technologies generative AI will enable over the next few years. Software Applications Incorporated, a startup by 3 ex-Apple employees, aims to bring generative AI to the desktop in a way that pushes operating systems forward. The Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, a state-backed foundry, managed to scrape together equipment from existing plants and those received before Washington's sanctions to keep its 7nm production line going. Anduril's Roadrunner is a modular twin-jet-powered autonomous vertical takeoff and landing air vehicle that's designed for low costs. The mantra, "Code is read more than written," conveys that it's usually a good investment to make code maintainable by keeping it simple and writing tests and documentation. Developers should also remember that code is useless if it doesn't fulfill its purpose and provide a good experience to the user.